Hi there, it's Professor Monty. We're talking about multiplying or dividing using scientific notation. It's a pretty simple procedure. First, we're going to multiply or divide the number parts together and the power parts together. And then if we need to, we're going to have to convert to scientific notation. Here's what I mean. So I've got these two numbers multiplied together, both in scientific notation. I'm going to take the number parts, the 4.3 and the 3.9, multiply those together. I'm also going to take the power parts, the 10 to the 7th and the 10 to the 2nd, multiply those together. Now, using my calculator, I multiplied this out. 4.3 times 3.9, 16.77. Now, remember, this, when I multiply two things the same base, I add the exponent. So that's 10 to the 9th power. I can't just put a multiplication there and have that in scientific notation because there's more than one number to the left of the decimal. So this number is really 1.677 times 10 to the first. And then this, we'll just put times 10 to the 9th. Now I'm going to multiply these together. I'm going to get 1.677 times 10 to the, again, add the exponents, 10 to the 10th power, and that's my answer. So multiply the number parts together, multiply the power parts together. We got here, but it wasn't in scientific notation, so I had to change that into scientific notation to one more step. Over here, a similar thing. I'm dividing, so I'm going to do my 8.7 divided by 2.5, and I'm also going to do 10 to the 12th over 10 to the 3rd. Okay, again, using my calculator, 8.7 divided by 2.5, I get 3.48. And here, remember, if I divide things with the same base, I subtract the exponent. So it's 10 to the 12 minus 3, or 10 to the 9th. And that's going to be my answer, 3.48 times 10 to the 9th. Already in scientific notation, I don't need to change it, so I'm done. But that's the idea. Work with them. It's not too bad. Once you get a little practice, these become pretty easy.